Yes. Mahmoud. Zangalewa. The thing you do with the bangalewa. They make everybody the bangalewa. Hallelujah. Zangalewa. The music they make the bangalewa. Getcha. My day. Yes, sir. This is my day. This is the day to be happy.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite West African queen. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It means a lot. Hope you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. I'm just gonna give you a second to go down on the subscription button and click that notification bell to become part of the West African gang. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys are doing safe. Hope you guys are safe in quarantine with your family. Hope everyone is doing well. I love you guys so much. I'm sorry if I haven't been posting a lot. As we all know, it's quarantine, and now is the time to, just focus on yourself. Make sure you're doing better in every aspect. I'm also getting ready for school. As we all know, we're going back to school in August 19 and 20. I can't wait. I am so excited. So I've been, preparing for school, getting school supplies and stuff like that. Just getting ready for school. So that's why I haven't been really posting as much. But I'm back again. I'm going to be posting a lot. You're going to get tired of me. I'm going to be posting a lot. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Do whatever you please. Thank you. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying out Lumiere's curly hair. As you all know, this is not my first time trying Lumiere hair. I'm a fan of Lumiere hair. These are my bags. Like, I always get my hair from Lumiere hair. I love their hair so much. Their hair quality is very good. It is not that expensive. I believe everybody can afford it. If you want that natural texture hair that is easy to work with, I believe that Lumiere hair is to go. Oh, this is what the packet looks like. This is the bag. Open it. It comes with this, of course. So I really never did a video about Lumiere hair before. So this is my first time doing a video about their hair, and I just wanted to show you guys the quality of the hair and style it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install it, how to slay it, how to lay it. I'm going to show you guys. So this is what the hair comes in. Purple, my second favorite color, and it comes with a wig cap as this. I like how they give me the darker tone because they know how did they know that I was dark skinned? They didn't even give me the lighter cap, but I like this one because I'm a dark skinned beauty. And then the hair comes in a plastic bag like this to secure it, prevent it from anything. It comes with elastic band. One comb in the back, this. It has two combs on the side, and it's pre-plucked, as you can see. It's very curly, it's water wave. It's also pre-bleach, it's pre-plucked, everything is pre-part, everything. So all you gotta do is just cut the lace, put it on, add some glue, add some water, add some mousse, whatever, and then slay it down, and then you're good to go. This is why I love Lumiere hair. It's easy to work with. You don't have to really do too much with it. It comes ready to go. So yes, I'm gonna install it